Cotton percale. Imported. Colorful classic. Add a splash of color to your bedroom or guestroom with this premium Lacoste pillowcase set. Available in a rainbow of warm and cool colors, these luxury sheets are the perfect match for any decor. Crisp cool. Enjoy the soft crisp feel of 100% percale cotton and relax in comfort thanks to high-quality Lacoste craftsmanship. All-season comfort. These beautiful lightweight pillowcases are cool to the touch and perfect year-round from summer to winter. Two-piece set. This set includes 2 standard pillowcases, 20W×27L. Add a Lacoste comforter and some throw pillows to complete the look. Machine washable. Machine wash cold with light colors on a gentle cycle, then tumble dry low. Relax in supreme comfort. With Lacoste cotton percale pillowcases. With a vibrant palette of solid color designs, you can pick the perfect color to match your personal style, whether your taste is classic or modern. Lacoste. Following our core values of optimism and elegance, we pave the way in everything from our iconic polo shirts to premium bedding and luxury bathroom decor. Our constant search for excellence is reflected in the high-quality, modern collections we design, create, and market. Enter the world of Lacoste and share in our vision of casual elegance, optimism, and faith in the future. Package contents. Pillowcases. Top reviews from the United States. They are almost always wrinkled, but I won't use anything else. There is something very disheartening about taking a set of sheets, pillowcases out of the dryer, immediately, and seeing that they are still very wrinkled. I am not about to go ironing anything myself lol, so I just roll with it. So yeah, the wrinkly part kind of sucks, but for some reason these are just so much more comfortable to me than anything else I have tried, so I won't use anything else. I have several sets of sheets and pillowcases, and will likely buy more in the future. If you don't mind ironing them, then they are sheer perfection. For me, they're perfect anyway.